Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm going to be reviewing the premium box for BoxyCharm. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is heavy. And first and foremost, here is my BoxyCharm. Again, it's the same theme as the base subscription box, and it's called the Oasis. And this time I got a card. So that's try to attempt to go in the order of how it appears on this card. The first thing in here, I'm already excited, is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Nice. Okay, we're gonna see what this product looks like. Here is the bottle. Pretty low key. It feels like almost it has the texture of an avocado. Isn't that interesting? It's kind of warped, molded. How do you call that? Modeled. I wonder if it smells like avocado. Oh, it has a cover on here, which is nice. No. That's how it looks in the jar, though. Doesn't really have a scent, which I'm kind of surprised at, because, and it's fairly hard. Like, it feels almost like a clay mask. The texture. Yeah. And again, there's no weird scent, but it's really thick inside the jar. Okay. So, the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado. Ooh, exfoliating PHA. I'll put a definition of what PHA is. And the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. I'll put the description of what that might be. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Used as a wash-off, flash facial, or overnight mask for deep recovery. The price for this is $49. What's this? The Tartiste Pro Remix Amazonian Clay Palette. I've been eyeing this, and it has been in other packages before. I don't believe with Boxy. I'm not sure, maybe in previous incarnations I think I've seen this, but I never would get a Tarte. Like, I think I got one. And I was like, wow, you know, I really would like to get another. So I guess my prayers have been answered. Look at those colors back there. This is going to be a fun palette. The Tartiste, or the Tartiste Pro Remix Amazonian Day Palette. These are day colors? Okay. Prepare for an expression explosion. We're passionate about pigment, and this sequel to our OG Pro palette comes to play. This rich, vibrant 20-shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. The retail price is $48 US. Okay, and this is how it looks. Okay. Looks in the back. Very pretty. And it does have a little bit of a, I guess it's to make it, you see that? And we lift this. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know if you could see this, but the next one is from NARS, and this is their Power Matte Lip Pigment. Potency and precision, the ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid pigment complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel, introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long-lasting wear. Sensorial, lightweight texture that applies like an ink on lips. So this is trying to say, in its very fancy way, that this is not gonna maybe feel heavy on the lip. It's not gonna feel sticky when you press your lips together, but it is gonna feel like almost like a second skin. And this is how it looks. It's intriguing how they use words like sensorial. I don't know how many people know what sensorial means. The color is promising. And I love NARS. NARS is one of those products that's, I don't want to say over reliable. They're just very grown up, you know. And the NARS lipstick, if I haven't mentioned it already, goes for a retail price of $26 US. Okay, this is the box that it comes in. It's a pretty big box. Grace and Stella. Never heard of this brand. This is the anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask. It's a 6-pack. As we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating skin. And this bad boy goes for $25 US. $1 billion brows sculpting duo brush. Okay, this is for brows. Looks pretty big. The simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. Oh, contour side, densely packed angle brush applies to target areas, then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. Highlighter side, tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. The price for this is $30. I will be experimenting with the brush because if you viewed my channel, you know that I absolutely love makeup tools. Love them. And now, finally, last but certainly not least, I've heard of this brand. This is Living Proof Restore Instant Protection, a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage. Look at this. I've heard good things about this brand. I know it's pretty pricey. The price for this bad boy is $28, and I believe this is full size. So $28 for 188 ml or 5.5 ounces. Let's see. What does this do? Weightless heat and UV protection. I guess you put this on when you're styling your hair. There's the... It has a pleasant scent, but again, if you're not into fragrance, this may not be for you. I think that the BoxyCharm Premium, which is a good $10 more than the normal box, it has some good selections. It has some prime products like the Glow Recipe, the Tarte Pro Remix, great, NARS, fantastic. These are products that I'm familiar, that I use, that I know are not inexpensive. You're not going to find them in the drugstore. Living Proof is a company that I am familiar with but have never used. Company I've never heard of, but I will be trying it simply because it's a makeup tool. Skincare, gotta love skincare. So sheet masks, I welcome. I'm trying to figure out what else could push the premium to be something that more people will jump for, because the base box pretty much gives it a run for its money. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Zora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.